Hi guys, this is CS50Web's Project 3 mail application submission. So we are in the login page right now. Let's log in. In this application, we are able to send an email. So in order to do so, we can click the compose email button right up top here. Let's write who we want to send it to. Let's do user2. Let's write our subject as test, and the body, let's do hello user2 from user1. When we hit submit, it will send an email and it take us to the sent mailbox. Let's hit submit, and then now we are in the sent mailbox. You can see the email, all the emails we send in here, and the latest will be shown first and then goes to the earlier and earlier. And then here, if we want to view the email, we can click on it. Now we are in the email view. In this view, we can see the subject here above test. You can see the sender here as user1 and then the recipient as user2 here. The timestamps we can see right here, and also the body of the email right here. So if we want to view the inbox, whether or not user2 has received the mail that we have sent them, we can log in as user2. Let's log out for this one first. Let's log into user2 to see if the email is sent to the user2. You can see here the email is sent from user1 right here, which we have the subject test and hello user2, and from user1 as the body of the email. As you can see here, the background is white, which means the email is unread. So when we click on it and we read the email, if we go back to the inbox mailbox, you can see it's back to gray, which is red. So let's go. Here we can archive the email as well. We have an archive button right here in the top right corner. The button is a closed box that stands for archive. So when we archive the email, let's click on it. We will not stay in the inbox mailbox anymore. It will be in the archive mailbox instead. Let's do it. Let's click on it. When we click on archive, we can see the email that we have archived earlier. So let's click on it if you want to view it, if you want to view that email. We can unarchive the email as well. We can just click on this button, which is our open box instead, which stands for unarchive. Click on it and now it's unarchived and stays in the inbox mailbox instead. So when we go back to archive, we don't see that email anymore. In addition to archiving, we can reply to the email as well. So in order to do so, we can click on the reply button right here besides the archive button. When we click on it, we will be taken to the new email view. All of this information will be pre-filled for us. From, which is us, to, which is the sender, subject as re and then the original one. So re plus test, which means reply to test. And then this body is pre-filled for us, saying on the timestamp that the first user has sent us the message, the user itself, and also what the user has written. So let's do. So when we hit submit, we will be taken to the sent mailbox, and we can see our reply to that email, which is right here. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye-bye.